Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is a beautiful color, the green. Totally digging it. I am eventually going to put a skin on it, but I am really digging the look, the feel, the sharp corners, just like the Note, folks. And the camera area is like the S21 Ultra. It's just that they removed the bump, the hump. But yeah, this is really nice. Down below on the left hand side, for those of you that love the S Pen, bam. It's just something for me that has been very difficult to get used to using, but I'm gonna try again. You know, you gotta keep at it. This is nice. It just feels solid. Now there's no screen protector on the S22 Ultra. The S21 Ultra actually came with the screen protector, but this guy, it does not. Wow, I wish it would have. Yeah, I wish it would have. So now I'm going to see if my S21 Ultra film screen protectors actually fit on the S22 Ultra. What I want to do really quick is test out the fingerprint reader on the S22 Ultra and the S21 Ultra. I only have one fingerprint set up for both of these devices. So what I'm going to do is double tap on the S22 Ultra display. Bam. That was fast. That was like really fast. Oh wait, we're going to double tap. And that was fast. Faster though over here. So let's go ahead and do that again. Okay. Pretty darn fast. Bam! Wow. Let's bring in the Google Pixel 6 Pro. That was fast. That was super fast. Bam! Loving it. Digging it. So what I want to do now is review the UAG Rugged Protection Plasma Series case here for my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Urban Armor Gear, 16-foot drop protection, soft impact resistant core, feather-light composite construction, armor shell, wireless charging compatible. Great looking case. Got that black charcoal look here going on. And I'm just a little nervous about damaging the back without having protection. Just like that, folks. And I'm going to have to get that screen protector on here soon as well. So let's go ahead and zoom on in. So you can see up top, you got a receding area for your combo earpiece and speaker. At the bottom, huge cutout for the USB Type-C charging port and a mic right next to that area to the right of that. A cutout right there for the speaker grill and a cutout right there for your S Pen. And you're going to get a lot of protection. You want to stick your fingernail underneath like that and pull it out and just push it back in just like that. Okay. And on the rear, huge cutout for all of those cameras. Lots of lip, lots of depth. I love the different cutouts there for those cameras. Trust me, you're going to be able to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video with all of that protection going on back there. And you got that chiseled, exquisite shell back there. So a lot of protection when setting down on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough. If it's really rough, please use your discretion. But you got a lot going on back there to give you the best protection that you'll need for your new S22 Ultra. Listen, man, nothing is guaranteed, but you're better with than without. On the left-hand side and on the right-hand side here, you got that ridge design. So as it sits nicely in the palm of your hand, you can feel those ridges. It gives you that extra grip that you're going to want while sporting the Plasma Series UAG case. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Volume rocker. Nice and responsive. You don't have to push very hard at all. That is really nice. Power button. Awesome. Plenty of lip at the bottom. Of course, we're going to have to do another close-up on that. You can see all the lip right down at the bottom there, and plenty of lip up top. On the sides, it's going to be pretty flush with the display. So when sitting down on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough, the protection your display is going to get is coming from the top lip and bottom lip, which means there's going to be a little bit of a gap right in here. Display rising above the flat surface, and if the surface is a little bit rough. Anything beyond that, I wouldn't do it. Okay? You got a lot more protection going on back here. But if you have a glass protector or a film protector, that'll be great for the front. You want protection all over, man. I truly believe in it, man. Spend a lot of money. You work hard for that money. And I know it takes away from the look. And some of you hate that as far as the actual color of the device. But a lot of you use skins too, you know. I don't know, man. At the end of the day, I just feel so much better sporting a case. All right. Bam! Wireless charging. Okay. Bam! There you go. Okay. Wireless charging. And I know some of you wanted to see this one here. But again, the Galaxy Watch more there in a later video. So stay tuned for that. Wow, this is nice. This is really, really nice. Oh, there goes my little Android dude. That is nice. Look at those individual cutouts for those cameras. And you got plenty of lip surrounding the camera areas. That's nice. And then you got a kickstand. Yeah, I am digging that. And that's one of the freebies from Samsung that I got. Yeah, that's nice. Cutouts. Lots of space going on there with those cutouts. There's your SIM tray right in there. Power button. Volume rocker. Oh yeah, everything's gonna work the way it should with this case. Up top, cut out for your other mic. And plenty of lip up top there. Plenty of lip at the bottom, but on the sides, flush. So all your protection's coming from the bottom lip and top lip. And you got a little bit of lip right on the back there as well. Plus you have that kickstand. So that's actually, when it sits, it's actually going to be a little bit of an angle there. So the cameras are going to get great protection as well. All right, so, and there's the wireless charging. Super stoked to get the reviewing process started. Thanks for coming on by and hanging out with me, checking out the unboxing. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I would appreciate it. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. Peace. I am out.